If you watch this video, here's why you'll never have to worry about creating awesome social and YouTube thumbnails ever again. Stop the scroll, grab attention, get them curious, and get them to click in just 5 minutes or less. I bet you've seen stunning images online and thought to yourself, that looks awesome. How the hell did they make that? I wish I could do stuff like that. Well, now you can, and you can do it free. Here's how. Let's say you did an image search on Google and you saw an image that you want to recreate. How would you do it? This is assuming you're using Windows. It's super simple. Step 1, press Windows and print screen. Step 2, crop out the specifics that you want in the image. Step 3, upload to ChatGPT. Gemini should be able to do this pretty soon. Step 4, ask the AI to describe what it sees in detail. Step 5, tweak the description if you need to in something like Notepad. You can also get some inspiration from other prompts you like to get different effects. Step 6, copy and paste the prompt into Ideogram or use ChatGPT. Hit enter and give it a few seconds. Check and see if you're happy with the results or need to make tweaks. Repeat tomorrow and the next day until you're one with the singularity and AI can just read your brain. Do this for the rest of time. You're welcome. I bet the very next question you might have is, what do you do with this? How can you use this to make some money? Glad you asked. We'll be covering that in an upcoming video. If you're subscribed, I'll notify you ASAP just as soon as it's ready. Did you find this video useful? If so, please give it a thumbs up. It's a small act from you, but means the world to me. If you don't want to miss future content like this, hit subscribe and set your notifications. For even more exclusive content, be sure and join the newsletter. Link is in the description. And now, check out one of these other useful videos.